Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Unbox Smooth, and today I will be reviewing and unboxing the i12 TWS that I bought from Amazon. The link to that will be in the description below. Please feel free to go check it out. We'll also be differentiating these i12s with the actual AirPods 2s. And now we'll be moving on to the video. Right in front of the box, we see the i12 printed, as well as the TWS on the right hand corner. Also, TWS True Wireless Stereo i12, Auto Power On, Auto Pairing 5.0. This means that it has a Bluetooth of 5.0. On the side, we see most of its functions: the Auto Power On, the Auto Pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically just like AirPods. Moreover, on the back we find its name, which is wireless earphones, the version 5.0, the input, the talk time, which is around 2 to 3 hours, and the charging time, which is from 40 minutes to around 1 hour. You also get to choose different types of color variants. I have chosen the white color for this video. Now let's open the box and see what we get inside. We basically see the i12 TWSs right inside the box, the first thing we see. Let's keep that to the side. We find the lightning cable, which is not originally Apple's. Let's see what else we have. We get a user manual on how to use this i12, and it's written in English in the front side, and on the back it's written in Chinese. So these are the i12 TWSs, and I will come back after I've taken the blue wrapper off. I am back and I've taken the sticker off, and to be honest, the front looks identical, which is really good. However, if we move on to the back, we do not find any writing under the lip. If there was writing under the lip, that would have been a good idea, but there isn't because it's for $15, and don't keep your hopes high for $15. And as you can see, there are no sensor on both the AirPods, which is a major giveaway. And also no writing under the lid. And another major giveaway, these blue and red lights. Also the two dots under it. The tap function of these AirPods are: if you tap once, you play and pause. If you triple tap on the right earbud, you have the next song. If you triple tap on the left earbud, you have the previous song. And to activate Siri or any other AI, you have to tap and hold for 3 seconds. If you tap once, you answer and end the call. And if you double tap, you reject the same call. As you can see, I have my AirPods 2s over here and the i12s over here. As you can see, the i12 TWSs are a little taller than the AirPods 2s. Even the back looks different. There is writing on the AirPods, however, you cannot find writing on the i12 TWSs. And now I'll take out each AirPod from their case. The AirPods are on the right and the i12s are on the left. The AirPods have these sensors on both the AirPods, and however the i12 TWSs do not have these, and by that anyone would know they're fake. As you can see, there is one oval shaped hole under the AirPods. However, on the i12 TWSs you find these two connectors for the charging case. The weight of the AirPods feel heavier than the i12 TWSs, as this is made out of a good material. However, these are made out of cheap plastic. The i12 TWSs now have the Raycon 5.0 chip, which enables a more sensitive and more appealing tap gesture. So now when you tap, it's going to configure even better than all the other i12 TWSs that were made before. And now I will be showing you how to connect these i12 TWSs to your Android or iOS device. And all you need to do to connect these i12 TWSs to your iOS device is on the back, you have to click the button 2 times. And you'll find the pop-up, click connect, and I'll come back as soon as it connects. To connect the i12 TWSs, I actually had to take both of them out, and there would be a blinking light on one of them and on the other, but they both connect together. And on the Bluetooth, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings and you'll find the i12 over there. You have to tap on them and they'll be connected, as you can see they're right over here. I will come back as soon as I've heard their audio quality and I'll be telling you my review on these. Okay, I'm back. The sound quality on these are alright, especially for a $15 AirPod alternative. There are actually other alternatives that you could buy in the same price range, and they sound better than these though. However, I wouldn't necessarily recommend these as there were some issues while connecting these, and the audio quality had some problems while listening to them, especially the tap functions. They aren't as good as they were described. So if you're looking for a proper earbud, I wouldn't necessarily recommend these. But if you do want to buy these, the link's in the description below. And thank you for watching my video. I'll be uploading a new video every week and hopefully you stay notified. Thank you.